Molweni bafundi, conductors and teachers. My name is Masekole Makwetu, and welcome to Cape Town Opera's new e-learning program, Sing Like a Pro. This program will be packed full of vital information and tips from professional opera singers to help you interpret your SASCE repertoire like a real expert. But before we get started, we would like to remind you about the 8 golden rules of prevention, which can help to stop the spread of COVID-19.
Always remember to wash your hands regularly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember to wipe surfaces often. Only leave home if you are healthy. And wear a fabric mask in public, covering your mouth and nose. Don't touch your eyes, mouth or nose with unwashed hands. And cough or sneeze into your elbow or use a tissue. Keep a distance of 1.5 meters between you and other people. Let's all work together to stay safe.
Over the next 12 modules, we are going to hear 6 prescribed SASCE pieces performed by some of Cape Town Opera's best singers. We are going to share some important tips about each piece that will help you to sing like a pro. We'll be covering background information, pronunciation, translation, style, interpretation. You are going to learn about it all here. Module 2 and 3 are for the sopranos, 4 and 5 for the mezzos, 6 and 7 for the tenors, 8 and 9 for the bass baritone, and the remaining modules are for the ensembles. Ready to get started? Let's jump straight into the next module.